This is the engine compartment. And the interior. We're at the detail shop today and should be picking it up tomorrow. I don't know. Gonna put it back in the water Monday. Monday or Tuesday. Got a little nick on top of one of the seats here. And it's always been stored inside the marina. Got a little gooey, sticky stuff on it. Come off. It's got that windshield that folds back and locks into place. Okay, we'll close this down. Some nice upholstery in it.